Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all liked videos you have ever liked on Facebook. For example, if you want to see every videos you have liked on Facebook, so how you can check that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to scroll it down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. In App Store, you have to simply search for the Facebook app and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, you have to simply close this page. And after closing this page, you have to open the Facebook app. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on that profile icon here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of activity or activity log. So here you have to simply click on activity log. So here you have to simply click on your Facebook activity. So here option will be available as comment and reaction. So here you have to simply click on that arrow and here you will find likes and reactions. So here you will find all of the liked videos or liked posts you have ever done on Facebook. So in this way you can simply check for that. Now if you want to check more, you can also do that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.